In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log out of all devices on Coinbase. If you've ever signed in on a shared computer, an old phone, or you just want a fresh security reset, logging out of all devices is quick and effective. I'll walk you through it on both the website and the mobile app so you can follow along with whatever you're using right now. Start by opening Coinbase.com in your browser or launching the Coinbase app on your phone. Sign in with your email and password as you normally would. If you use two-step verification, complete that prompt as well. Make sure you're on a device you trust, since this will be the one that stays signed in at the end. Once you're in, go to your account settings. On the website, click your profile icon in the top corner and choose Manage Account. On the app, tap your profile icon and select Manage Account there too. If you don't see it right away, you may be in a different tab. Just look for Settings, then Manage Account. Before we go further, a quick note. The official website link and the app download link are placed right at the top of the description for easy access. If you need to install the app or double check you're on the correct site, grab them there. Inside Manage Account, open the section labeled Activity. This is where Coinbase keeps a record of recent sign-ins and security-related events. From Activity, choose Confirmed Devices. You'll now see a list of every device that currently has access to your account. Phones, tablets, and browsers you've used recently. To sign out everywhere at once, select Remove All Devices. You'll be asked to confirm. Go ahead and approve the action. Coinbase will immediately revoke access on every device except the one you are using right now. That means any old sessions on other phones or computers will require a fresh sign-in before they can access your account again. Give it a few seconds and you should see the list update. If you're curious, you can refresh the page or revisit Confirmed Devices to verify that only your current session remains. This is a great step if you lost a device, used a public computer, or just want the peace of mind that comes from a clean slate. If anything looks unfamiliar in the activity section, change your password and keep your recovery details up to date. Small, regular check-ins like this help keep your account secure. And that's it. Simple, fast, and effective. Thanks for watching.